What if the next big thing in tech isn't a gadget, but a network you can't see? Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's the engine behind NFTs, DeFi, and the future of the internet. In this video, we'll show you how smart contracts are quietly transforming everything you thought you knew about trust, money, and code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto IQ, your go-to spot for crypto clarity without the hype. If you're curious about Ethereum, what it is, why it's important, and how it's changing the game, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking Ethereum down in plain English. Here's what we'll cover. Chapter 1. What is Ethereum? Chapter 2. How smart contracts work. Chapter 3. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, the key differences. Chapter 4. Use cases of Ethereum today. Chapter 5. Ethereum 2.0 and the future roadmap. Stick with us to the end to connect all the dots. And be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're learning something new today. Let's kick things off with the fundamentals. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain network designed to support smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps for short. It was launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, who envisioned a more versatile blockchain than Bitcoin. While Bitcoin focuses on being a store of value, Ethereum was built to be programmable. Think of Ethereum as a platform, kind of like the App Store, but instead of apps owned by Apple or Google, you get decentralized apps that run autonomously on the blockchain. And the fuel for this platform, it's called Ether, or ETH, the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum. Now let's get into smart contracts, arguably Ethereum's biggest innovation. A smart contract is a self-executing program with rules defined by its creator. Once deployed to the Ethereum network, it runs exactly as written, automatically, without any third-party interference. Let's say you're buying an NFT. The smart contract might say, when 1 ETH is received, transfer ownership of the artwork to the buyer. Once the condition is met, the code executes the trade. No human needed. These contracts are transparent and immutable, meaning anyone can inspect the code, and once it's deployed, it can't be changed. This system enables a whole new level of trust, automation, and global access, whether you're trading assets, taking out a loan, or playing a blockchain game. So how does Ethereum stack up against Bitcoin? While both use blockchain technology, their purposes are different. Bitcoin was created to be a decentralized alternative to money, a digital gold. It has a capped supply of 21 million coins and is mostly used for storing or transferring value. Ethereum, on the other hand, is more like a digital operating system. It doesn't just store value, it lets developers build apps directly on top of it. Another difference, Bitcoin uses a basic scripting language with limited functionality. Ethereum is Turing complete, meaning it can run complex computations and virtually any logic you can program. So what's Ethereum actually used for? Let's break down some real-world applications. DeFi, decentralized finance. Apps like Aave, Compound, and Uniswap allow users to lend, borrow, and trade assets without banks. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Artists can mint and sell digital art directly to buyers via platforms like OpenSea and Rarible, all powered by Ethereum smart contracts. Gaming and virtual worlds. Blockchain games like Axie Infinity or metaverse spaces like Decentralized are using Ethereum to create in-game economies. DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. These are community-run organizations where governance is coded into smart contracts. There's no CEO, just code and community votes. The Ethereum ecosystem is massive and constantly growing, with thousands of developers building tools, games, marketplaces, and more. Let's look ahead. Ethereum recently transitioned from a proof-of-work consensus model to proof-of-stake, in a long-awaited update called the Merge. This cut energy usage by over 99% and made the network more scalable and sustainable. But the upgrades don't stop there. The roadmap includes Sharding. This will split the blockchain into smaller parts to increase transaction throughput. Rollups. These are layer 2 solutions that bundle multiple transactions off-chain and settle them on Ethereum for lower fees and faster speeds. All these upgrades aim to make Ethereum faster, cheaper, and ready to serve billions of users. To wrap things up, Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's an innovation platform enabling the next wave of internet apps, ones that are decentralized, open source, and owned by users instead of corporations. Whether you're into DeFi, NFTs, or just excited about the future of the internet, Ethereum is the backbone making it all possible. If you learned something new today, help us out by liking this video and subscribing to the Crypto IQ for more deep dives that simplify the complex world of crypto. Check out our video on smart contracts next if you want to go deeper into how they work under the hood. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious and stay safe in the crypto space.